Imagine a device that not only revolutionizes the way we communicate, but also the way we interact with technology. That's the promise of the rumored iPhone 16. Every year, as the calendar pages turn, the tech world buzzes with anticipation over what Apple will unveil next. This year, the spotlight is on the iPhone 16, a device surrounded by a whirlwind of rumors that suggest it might be one of the most groundbreaking launches in Apple's history. Let's dive into the aesthetics first. Sources whisper about a sleek, refined design that could potentially say goodbye to the notch. Yes, you heard that right. The infamous notch might be replaced by a more subtle under-display camera, giving the iPhone 16 an edge-to-edge display that's both more immersive and visually stunning. But it's not just about looks. The iPhone 16 is rumored to pack a serious punch in terms of processing power, with a new, more efficient chipset at its heart. This phone could handle multitasking and high-performance applications with unprecedented ease, making it a powerhouse for both work and play. And for the shutterbugs out there, the camera system of the iPhone 16 is expected to undergo significant enhancements. We're talking about advanced sensor technology that could take low-light photography to new heights, and a zoom capability that might just render your standalone camera obsolete. Now, let's talk features. Remember Touch ID? It might be making a comeback, integrated beautifully with the screen itself. This, combined with the potential introduction of an always-on display, could offer users a mix of convenience and functionality that's been somewhat missing in recent iterations. Furthermore, the under-display camera technology isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing face recognition and making your interactions smoother and more natural. With these potential changes, the iPhone 16 promises to redefine our smartphone experience. It's not just about upgrading what we have, it's about transforming how we engage with our digital world. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more about this fascinating device. The user interface is the bridge between us and our devices. And if the rumors are true, iPhone 16 is set to revolutionize this experience. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, reach for your iPhone, and instead of the familiar grid of apps, you're greeted by something entirely new. Reports suggest that Apple is crafting an all-new iOS for the iPhone 16, designed not just to look fresh, but to fundamentally change how we interact with our smartphones. This could mean a more intuitive layout, dynamic widgets that respond in real time, and interfaces that adapt uniquely to the individual user's needs. But the innovations don't stop at aesthetics. The introduction of new gesture controls is also on the horizon. Picture controlling your device with mere hand waves or subtle finger movements without ever touching the screen. This could be particularly transformative for users with mobility impairments, offering them a smoother and more accessible way to navigate their phones. Augmented reality, or AR, is poised to take a giant leap forward too. The iPhone 16 might integrate AR more deeply into the daily UI, making it a core part of the iPhone experience rather than just an app feature. This means maps could project directions right onto the real-world streets in front of you, or your camera could identify objects and provide information in real time. Let's not forget Siri and Face ID. Enhanced Siri capabilities could lead to more natural interactions, almost akin to speaking with a human. Siri might handle more complex requests, understand context better, and interact in a more engaging way. Meanwhile, improvements to Face ID are expected to make it faster and more accurate, potentially working flawlessly in various lighting conditions and even with partial face coverings. The expected changes to the user interface are sure to not only improve usability, but also to provide a more immersive and engaging user experience. The potential features of the iPhone 16 are impressive, but what do they mean for you, the user? Let's delve into the camera enhancements first. Imagine a smartphone camera that not only captures images in higher resolution, but also offers more dynamic range and low-light capabilities. This could revolutionize mobile photography, allowing amateur photographers and professionals alike to capture stunning images that rival those taken with high-end DSLR cameras. For videographers, enhanced stabilization and improved zoom features could mean crisper, clearer videos that are production-ready straight out of your pocket. Now let's talk about the user interface. The iPhone has always been known for its sleek, intuitive design. With the rumored changes, we could see an interface that is even more streamlined and user-friendly. Imagine an iPhone that anticipates your needs, offering smarter, context-aware suggestions. This could drastically cut down the time you spend navigating through apps and settings, allowing for a smoother, more efficient user experience. The potential for customizable widgets and a more adaptive home screen could also mean that your iPhone feels uniquely yours, more so than ever before. Moving on to processing power. This is where the tech enthusiasts might perk up a bit more. With an increase in processing power, the iPhone 16 could handle more complex tasks with ease. Gamers would see improved frame rates and faster load times, even with graphically demanding games. For those who use their iPhone for work, multitasking would become a breeze. Switching between apps without lag, handling large files, and even running intensive applications simultaneously could all be within the realm of everyday activities. The implications of these enhancements are vast. Not only could they change how we interact with our phones, but they could also set a new standard for what smartphones are capable of achieving. The rumored features of the iPhone 16 hold the promise of a more powerful, efficient, and immersive smartphone experience. The iPhone 16, shrouded in rumors, holds the potential to redefine our smartphone experience. As we've explored today, this upcoming device could bring a plethora of enhancements that might just set new benchmarks in the tech world. From a sleek, possibly flatter design to a more intuitive user interface, each rumored feature suggests a leap towards more seamless interaction. Imagine capturing the minutest details with an advanced camera system rumored to possibly include under-display technology. This could mean not just clearer pictures, but an entirely new experience in photography and videography. Moreover, the anticipated changes to the user interface, with a focus on fluidity and user-friendliness, could make the iPhone 16 not just a tool, but a more integrated part of our daily lives. While these are still rumors, the potential features of the iPhone 16 promise a device that not only enhances communication, but also revolutionizes the way we interact with technology.